Hello, everyone. This is Chad McMahon with Protect with Insurance. This is another episode on life insurance. This one's about life insurance, whole life insurance companies. And there are a lot of good companies out there. I'm going to make this as short and sweet, to the point, and valuable for you as possible. So, here are the criteria for what makes a good whole life insurance company, what separates the best ones from the rest of the pack. What you're going to be looking for in a quality and a high grade whole life insurance company is going to be one that has a high rating. That's number one. So a high rating is performed by third party life insurance rating companies. And for example, AM Best, Moody and Poor, things like that. There are these companies that they're unbiased, independent, third party companies. These are not reviews by biased reviews by clients and customers and all of that. These are actual ratings. So what you want is at least an A minus rating. So that's in the A tier. The A rating is the highest tier for ratings for insurance companies. Now that being said, there are A minus, A plus, A plus plus, depending upon the rating companies. But you just want to make sure it's at least in that A tier. Companies that go into B or below, they have financial solvency issues and probably some other deep-seated issues going on there as well. So that's number one. You want to make sure the rating is solid. Now, how do you make sure the rating is solid? It's actually extremely easy. It's free. It's very, very easy. All you do is you go online, your phone, your computer, whatever, use any search engine, Google, and let's say you want to look up Mutual of Omaha and you want to see what the rating is. Something like Mutual of Omaha life insurance rating. And you're going to see one or two or three different ratings that come up for that company. And again, you're looking for anything that's an A. So if it's a B or below, then go on to the next one. Okay, so now that being said, the next thing you're going to look for is a company that's not brand new. Okay, but it's very hard to get a high rating if you're new, so that's probably not going to happen. But a lot of these companies now, they've been in business for over 100 years. So if you're looking for, let's say, a company like Americo, been in business over 100 years, they have an A rating, they're very, very solid. Okay, now the next thing is going to be a company that has a program that's obviously it's a good fit for your needs. So you have certain goals. Let's say, and we're talking about whole life insurance right now. So let's say you want at least $30,000 in coverage, and you've got a certain budget. So they need to have a program that's going to fit that, because they're not all created equal. They're not all the same price, and they don't all go to the same coverage. Believe it or not, there are a lot of companies out there that their maximum whole life insurance coverage is 25,000 or even 15 or 20,000, depending upon their program. So if you need more, then and you want it all under one roof, and there are only certain companies that can do that. Now, that being said, it's okay to have more than one policy. So you could have a $25,000 policy over here, and you can have a $15,000 policy over here. So you have your 40,000 in coverage if you need that much coverage and your companies don't go that high. Or if you need 100,000 or 200,000 in coverage, you can string together a few providers. There are restrictions on what you can and can't do as far as maximum coverage, but your agent should know that. If they don't, go to the next agent. Go to the next agency. So that should get you on the right track as far as those whole life insurance companies. Now, I'm going to just quickly give you a few examples of great companies out there. These are companies that they're not necessarily our go-to companies. They're just some of the many companies that we have access to and that we shop for all of our clients just to get them the best rates possible. So some of these you will have heard of, some of these you probably will not have heard of, but they're all excellent high-rated companies. Mutual of Omaha, Americo, I already mentioned both of those. American Amicable, Foresters Financial, Transamerica, if you haven't heard of them, they're a great company. Gerber, same company as Gerber Baby Food, but they have one of the best priced guaranteed issue whole life insurance policies in the country. And that's the kind of policy that you get if you have more moderate or severe health issues, if there's some reason why you can't get approved elsewhere, as long as you are between the ages anywhere 50 to 80, then you can get that program. Really, really phenomenal. GTL, Guaranteed Trust Life, Prosperity. There are a bunch of these companies. You don't want to just shop one company. What you want to do is you want to shop multiple companies. And what we have found the hard way and the long way is that when you shop a lot of high quality companies, eventually what's going to happen is you are going to get the best price. You're going to get the highest quality insurance you can get. And it's going to be something that's going to take care of your family when something happens to you. I mean, that's why you get the policy. So you don't want to pay into something for 5, 10, 15, 20, 40 years, whatever it is, and have it be something that's not reliable. You want it to be a high rated, solid company that's going to be as low cost as possible to really take care of your budget needs, your finances as well. Keep that cost down. So I hope this has been helpful. Please reach out to us. If we can do anything for you, you can email us, you can call us. Email us at hello@protectwithinsurance.com. You can call us or even text us at 928-323-0933. We'll be happy to help you. All right, stay safe out there.